Hi guys. So today I'm going to show you how to make some cute little doorknob hangers. You could do them for Christmas, you could do them for any time of the year really. So you're going to start with some beads, and these are 17 millimeters. Get my needle and thread it. And then just start. I'm going to do about 17 beads. And you can do smaller or larger beads on this. Alright, so we have 17 on here. And then you're just gonna tie that in a knot. And I just use jute twine as my string. Then you're just gonna take a little wood slice. I got these off of Amazon. I got the beads off of Amazon too, but you can also get them at any of your craft stores. And just bring that all the way up to the top. And then tie your knot. And then I'm gonna put just a drop of glue before I finish tying that, so that we don't have to worry about it coming unraveled. And then tie it. And just let that dry for just a little bit. Sorry about that noise. I just wanted to double check my bead size, and they are 16 millimeter beads, not 17. So, and then just trim the smaller pair of scissors for this. And then you can just take any kind of ribbon that you would like. I'm just going to use some little buffalo check ribbon I have. And this one's about 17 inches long, but you could make it whatever length you wanted. So then just take and I put it to where the back of the ribbon is on the back, so that you won't be able to see where we clipped off the twine. And then just get that pretty even, and then tie it in a knot, and then just tie a bow. And then I did use the wired ribbon so to be able to adjust this bow and make it look the way I want. And then just make it whatever size you're happy with. And then as soon as you're happy with that, then just clip your ribbon to whatever you would like. I think I'm going to dovetail the ends of this. And you just fold that in half. Fold your ribbon in half, and then you can start from the outer edge or the inner edge. I always start from the inside and go down that way. And then when you open it up, it's perfectly dovetailed. And then there you go. Just little doorknob hangers. And you could paint these or you could leave them blank. I am going to use my Cricut and put some vinyl on it, but the Dollar Tree has some rub-on transfers that you could use to put words on this if you wanted. So I'm back here with my vinyl that I printed off. So I'm just going to weed that and I'm going to take my clear transfer tape, put it on top of that, and I have seemed to have lost my scraper that I have to make sure that gets on there really well. So I'll just use this. So there's that one. And you're going to use your same piece of transfer tape for a few projects, so I'm going to use the same one. That one, and there's that one. And you can use any word you wanted for that. So, thank you guys for joining us today. You guys have a great day.